Hi, this is the Java coding course by example, and today the day 23, I will talk about how to count how many words in a string in the Java. Okay, so here I will allow the user to enter the string in from the keyboard, and after that I will count how many words in this string and display it in the console. Okay, so now let's get started. I will open the Eclipse, and here I will create a new class inside the main package, and I will name it either cowword in string, and I will create a main method. Click on finish button. Okay. Import. Okay. Okay, here I will create a string input tag. It is a cow equals 0. Scanner. Okay. So here I will be using the for looping here to count the words in the string. If the string input chat is in equal to one line and string dot chat is okay. Okay, so now let's run this application. Hello world. The total number in string hello world is 2. Okay. Yeah, 3. Okay, cool. So here it should be 3, and we do the calculation based on the spacing between the character. Okay, run it again. Yeah. Okay, cool. So here, after you finish this video, you know how to count how many words in a string entered by the user from the keyboard. Okay, I hope this video will helpful for you, and let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and see you later.